Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. It is 51 degrees today and it's a nice day to go out and do some hiking. So I'm going to be jumping into my truck. We're driving to South Carolina to check out some waterfalls in that area. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Don and you're watching The Bitter Hiker. So we've made it to the trailhead for the Brasstown Falls here in Brasstown, South Carolina. Not to be confused with Brasstown Bold in Georgia. Brasstown Bold is the tallest or highest point in Georgia. This trail is rated as easy. There are two falls. I think there's a little fall and a main fall. And there's a fork in the road to get to each one. So let's hit this trail and check out those two falls. So like I've said in my last video, the weather we've been getting here in the south for the winter has been really peculiar. We have not gotten any snow. It is pretty warm outside. I don't even have a jacket. There's no need for it. It is almost 70 degrees and we have about a month left of winter. I think in the next coming days, we're supposed to get a cold front coming in from Canada. That's supposed to kind of bring the temperatures down. But right now, this is t-shirt weather. We can be wearing shorts and we are walking the trail to Brasstown Falls, just outside of Brasstown in South Carolina. I believe we're coming up on the fork in the road. So let's see. Okay, so we've got decisions. We can go to the left, we can go to the right. I think we're gonna go right. And we're gonna follow this yellow marker on the trees. And I can hear noises, water noises. Or maybe it's the wind blowing through the trees. It sounds like water. And I can see like a stream or something off to my left. And this trail is not that hard. It's not rutted or anything. It's very easy on your feet and your knees. Oh, wow. Wow. So we got a series of cascades over here. And I believe there's like an observation deck. So let's get to the observation deck and we'll see what this little Brasstown Falls look like. I can tell you it looks really interesting from here already. Oh, wow. So the trail keeps going down, so it seems like there's a bunch of other cascades there that we can go check out. It is a lot cooler down here at the base. Wow. That is awesome. That is awesome. So that's the observation deck where we were, and I kind of made it down. Oh, there's another observation platform over here. This water looks so refreshing. I'll wash my hands. Not freezing, very refreshing. Wow, holy potatoes. Guys, check that out. OMG. Wow. You get a bird's eye view of this thing from here. That is awesome. Let's go to the observation deck. So we're pretty close to the observation deck. I don't think we're gonna go off trail from here, but we're just gonna keep following this trail down. And the hard thing with going down is you gotta come back up. Show you these stairs before I go down them, but this is not for the faint of heart. Holy smokes. Now obviously there's an easier way off to the side, but if you're brave, you got some balance, you can do what I just did and then continue on down the trail. Wow. This is really something else. Very, very nice. So we've made it down to the base of Brasstown Falls. That's the observation deck. I can't see the other one, but wow, this is impressive. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so now we're going to take the right turn at the fork and see what that entails. Over this creek. Oh, where's the ropesman? Oh, that's a nice call. Something nice to do in the summer, I guess. There is not. You just walk full frontal right into this. OMG. Wow. This one is a lot easier to get to than the others, because the others you gotta go down those stairs and everything. Alright guys, well we've made it to the last set of falls here at Brasstown Falls in Brasstown, South Carolina. please click like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next one. I appreciate your support. I appreciate you guys supporting me, and when you see me out, you stop and you talk to me and everything. So keep liking, keep subscribing, and I'll keep making these videos. Peace.